Hi, first grade, welcome back. We are going to be adding some more big numbers, some two-digit numbers. This one is 45, and then we're going to add it to 32. And I made it with my base 10 blocks up here, my squares. 45 means I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So that's the same thing as 40. And then we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 45. 4 tens, 5 ones. For 32, I have 3 tens. 10, 20, 30, and 2 ones. Okay. Now to put those together, we need to keep the ones together and the tens together. So I'm going to start with my ones. Right now I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm adding 2 more. 1, 2. Is that enough for another 10? Nope. It's 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7 ones. And then let's put our tens together. We have 4, 1, 2, and 3 more. 4 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So now our number all together is 77. Okay? But we were talking about what happens if you have too many ones, if it's bigger than 9. All right, so let's look at that. So now we'll go like this. We'll go 28, so it's not quite another 10. We have 2 tens, and then we have 8 ones. And we're going to add 64 to that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. All right. So 28 plus 6 tens and 4 ones. All right, so remember I always said we're going to start with our ones first. Let's put them together. Well, we already have 8 right here. 8, 9, 10. We put 2 of these ones over here. Now we have another 10. So we're not going to count that as the ones anymore because this is a group of 10 now. So how many ones do I have? 1, 2. Okay. Now I'm going to count all my tens. Let's put them together. So I did my ones. I only have 2 of those right now. But these ones went together to make a 10. So we're going to put it with the tens. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 10. So our number all together is 92. What? That's huge. So let's look at what that looks like when we do it where we put them on top of each other. Let's see what that looks like. We started with 28 and we added 64. So I'm going to put 64 right underneath it so my ones are together and my tens. Plus sign on the left. And this is my equal sign. Okay. Well, we said we always start with the ones. I'm going to look over here. What is 8 plus 4? So 8 and 4 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So normally I would put 12. But we can only put 1 digit in this spot. We can only put the ones here, the 2. My 2 ones. This 10 that we made, remember we made it into a 10? It has to go with the tens. So we're going to put that 1 more 10 over here with all of our tens. Now, I'm going to start adding up my tens. I'm going to start with my 2 top numbers. I'm going to say 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's 3. And now I have 3 plus 6. What is 3 plus 6? That's 9. We now have 9 tens and 2 ones. Did we get the same answer? We sure did. Now, don't worry if this is hurting your brain. This is brand new. It's a little bit hard. We just don't understand it yet, but we will. Okay, so let's do another one to practice that. Okay, so let's go like this. Let's start with 30. Let's do 36. Boop, boop, boop. Actually, we're going to do 37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Has it gotten up here to make another 10? Nope. So we just have 3 groups of 10, and this one's getting close, but it's only 7 ones. 37 plus, let's put 20, so 2 10s, and then we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be 20, 2 10s, and 6 1s. Okay. Well, we said we always want to do the ones first in case we can make them into another 10. So let's look. We have 7 ones right here. So let's start putting some of our other ones over here and see if we can make a 10. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we only have these 3 little ones left over. This is now a 10. So all the 10s are going to go together. So let's add it up. So now we only have, do our ones. We have 3 ones. And let's count how many groups of 10 we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 37 plus 26 equals 63 all together. 6 10s and 3 1s. Let's write them on top of each other and practice that and see if we get the right answer. So 37, we're going to put our 26 right underneath it so the 1s are together and the 10s are together. If we write it like this, are we adding our 1s together? No, those are 10s. We're getting it all mixed up. We need to make sure we line them up correctly. Put our plus sign on the left. Cody, you got it on the left? Okay. Equals, and we always start with our 1s because maybe they're going to make a 10, right? So what is 7 plus 6? Well, if you've memorized your math facts, 7 plus 6 is 13. But I can't write 13 down here. I can only put my 1s, just 1 digit down here. This 10 has to go with the 10s. Remember, we made it into a 10. So now we've got another 10. Let's add these top ones together. What is 3 plus 1? 4. What's 4 plus 2? 4, 5, 6. We have 6 10s and 3 1s. Is that the same answer we got up here? Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. So today, I want you to go ahead and do workbook pages 137, 138, all the way up to 139. Do all 3 of those pages, okay? And we're going to be practicing making those groups of 10. You might have to circle a group of 10 and count it with your 10s, okay? And we'll keep practicing. Take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw so I can see what you're doing. I'm so proud of you. All right, see you soon.